Hello, in front of me I have Honor 400 Pro, and in this video I'm going to show you all possible checking options on the IMEI.info page using the IMEI number of our Honor 400 Pro. Alright, but first we need to find the IMEI number of our device. To do it we need to open up the phone app as a first method, and we need to type the asterisk #06 hashtag, and now as you can see we have the two IMEI numbers and also the serial number. Now simply remember that IMEI, but also we have the second method. We can find it from the settings. Open up the settings, scroll down into the bottom, click on About Phone, scroll down again, and in here you can find the IMEI number also. Alright, so once we have found it, now we can get into the page. Okay, and now we are on the site. You can see the link right in here. Simply type IMEI.info and you'll get this page. And now in this bar we need to type the IMEI number that we have checked. Okay, simply type it and then click on this blue button, Check IMEI. Okay, now we have our 400 Pro, as you can see. And starting from the top, we have the two options under the check now. We can perform the Blacklist Premium Check or buy a phone like this if you click on this button on the right side. When it comes to the Blacklist Premium Check, I'm gonna show you that in a minute. Below we can also find the basic information about our phone, such as does it support the LTE or the 5G, the capacity of our battery, does it have the built-in NFC, GPS, and that kind of information. Also we can click on Expand Info to see more information, and also if you are interested in the full device specification, you can click right in here or right in here on that button. Now go into the parameters, and in here you have a whole long list. Okay, but now let's get back. As we scroll down, we can find the basic checks and the advanced checks. So the basic checks are for free, but for the advanced ones you need to pay for them. When it comes to the basic ones, we have the Honor Warranty Check, Blacklist Simple Check, Random Image Generator, eSIM Compatibility Check, MAC Address Check, MAC Address Generator, Lost Device Add, and the Lost Device Check. All of those options from this list are completely for free. But for example, the Blacklist Premium Check, as you click and get into, you can see that it costs $5, and the time needed for this action is from 10 seconds to 10 minutes. Also below you can see an example how it will look like when the phone is blacklisted and how when it's clean. So in here we have a comparison how it will might look like. Okay, and also if you click on Read More about Blacklist Check Pro, as you scroll down you will be able to read about the advantages. So let me find them for you. Oh, here they are. So we have 5 advantages. So if your device is clean, the result contains model number and manufacturer. If your device is blacklisted, the result contains many details such as model, manufacturer, blacklisted by, blacklisted country, and blacklisted on. All results in premium service contains PDF certificate which you can share. The result is safe on your IMEI.info account history. You can now download the PDF certificate anytime, and the result is fast, accurate, and detailed. Okay, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe.